This will be a short video about the Samsung Galaxy S8. And so this is a broken S8 screen. Galaxy S8s break really easily. A lot of people like them because they're slimmer than the Notes and they feel better in the hand because the frame, the metal frame and the glass sit flush together, so it feels almost seamless. But if you can see, when you hit if you hit part of the frame here, the metal, it instantly hits the glass and it cracks. So the Notes have a tendency of doing that. Also, during the on the curve, where here on the edge, sometimes it just cracks very easily there too. So Notes, when I replaced the Note, I actually replaced the frame and the LCD together. They're pretty pricey. It's a Samsung part. There are refurbished parts, but I've seen those. I've used one and the color is off, so I never really go for a refurbished part anymore. You just add like 20 more bucks and you get the genuine deal. And the Note, I'm sorry, this is the S8 rear, and this is cracked also, so better change it. And it's very thin glass. It's thinner than the Note's glass, and it can crack very easily. So that's what you get. You need it for the wireless charging. But what's the quality like? Well, I changed the back of this S8, and there's no more IMEI number and things like that because it's just a generic back cover. You replace it, you put the fingerprint reader back and everything, and it is sealed with a legit sticker. So some people, they just don't seal it right. You never get the full functionality of the water seal back. You only get what you can with the things. But you can see here's the customer, and the color is right, and so it looks all good, and it's as good as the original. And so just if you some folks are wondering about the quality of these, they're very good. You won't be able to tell the difference, so it's not like the Apple screens. Apple screens can actually have cheaper aftermarket parts, and there's no official Samsung Apple part for Apple phones. And of course that might change in the future, because I believe beginning with the iPhone 12, all iPhones will have OLED screens, so they'll be manufactured by Samsung anyways. But I thought just since I got the repair done, I thought maybe some people would be interested in the quality of, like, what is the quality of the screen. The quality of the screen definitely is very good. It's got that coating on there that makes it very slick also, and it works really really nice. So any questions or comments, please post them at the bottom of the video.